What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha and memes in our private Discord, accessed by signing up to our Patreon. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at Solana here, and as we can see on the macro timescale, higher low, higher, coming back up, down and making that higher low again. Looking very bullish indeed. You can see here, if I can stop clicking my sidebar there, that basically we had that huge run up, didn't we? As we said, for a lot of cryptocurrencies back in May. We come down, obviously we formed the low here. We pull our fib from this high to this low, that big, that massive correction for Solana, to be honest, where we basically come down. You know, we're consolidating, doing something like this, aren't we? We're basically forming a little bit of a descending wedge. Once we got the breakout, you can see all of our fib targets highlighted. Solana really started to get used for a lot of NFT trading, didn't it? And that's the reason why Solana has basically come up and done so well. You can see here quite clearly that it ran all the way up cleanly to the 127 extension here of the Fibonacci. Let me just pull these fib levels in a bit so you can actually see where they are as well. Make sure this is in the right spot. Something like that. So you can see here, these levels, they're being so well respected in general, aren't they? You can see here, as we said before, we run all the way up to the 127, find resistance, we get basically a little bit of a rollover and consolidation. We absolutely clothesline the rest of the Fibonacci levels pretty much here. You can see we had a little bit of resistance at the 161, but we ran all the way up cleanly, almost to the 227 extension here at around $220, which is absolutely insane for Solana, isn't it? And you can see here we get the correction back down to the 161. Super bullish, really good test of support. We come back up, we absolutely smash the 227 there. We actually break through the 227, coming up to a level of around $260. And then since then we've just been in a bit of a downtrend for Solana ever since the market. 10th of November, as we said, ever since the 10th of November hit, we've basically had Solana just heading down in a downtrend, just like the whole market. Currently down at around $138. How far is this off the all-time high? Down around almost 50% from the all-time high. But looking like it's, it's shown a lot of demand, isn't it? And right now, we're just stuck under a resistance, just like lots of cryptos are looking something like this. And also, as we said, we've got this resistance looking something like this as well, where basically Solana, it's been going down and down underneath a resistance like this. Got these big bearish divergences like this as well. So you can see quite clearly that this potential rollover and consolidation correction for Solana was absolutely telegraphed in the charts. Big bearish divergence. Once you reach that swing high, you're sitting, in and around an area of big resistance. 227, a massive resistance, isn't it? It's a massive resistance on the Fibonacci. We come back inside the fib, and then at this point, people are thinking, okay, we've lost momentum. The market's looking bearish. Start taking profits. Basically, you can see we're coming down, making lower lows and lower highs like this. But Solana, it's come down. It's currently on this swing low area of support here, as you can see. Looking like, potentially you could form that W double bottom. We've come into a bit of a range, just like so many cryptos have like this. We'll just take a look at the 1 hour chart. You can see exactly what we're talking about. Basically, we've come into a bit of a range. That previous support here flipped into resistance here. We've come down, we've formed the bottom, top. Now we're back at the bottom, chopping sideways, basically over the past, week or so, maybe over the past 2 weeks, just going sideways like this in the market. Essentially waiting for that move to the upside and that reversal off the bottom, but looking like, potentially this downtrend starting to lose momentum. You can obviously see here as well, got some bullish divergences. Price action continuing to the downside on the hourly time frame. RSI looking like it's moving to the upside. So we'd say overall, Solana, it's a quality project, isn't it? It's getting a huge amount of use for NFT trading, etc. We do think it's going to continue to do well once it's finished its consolidation. It's forming up very similar to a lot of cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and sooner or later we are going to get that bounce to the upside. So just as a quick reminder as well, guys, we are providing a crazy amount of content in 2022. Our main focus is to give you guys the most content possible. We're posting 6 videos every single day at the minute, which is, you know, a crazy amount of updates for you guys. We're just trying to provide as much value as we can, and we really appreciate all of our support in our community. And if you do want to get even more content, which we've been really pressing for over the past few weeks for people to join our free Discord, you can go down in the description below. You can access the free section by clicking on the free Discord link, which is clearly highlighted in the description. It's completely free to sign up. Did we mention that it's free? You can get access to the free section of the lounge, which has all of our, you know, we get weekly coin calls in there for altcoin gems. We've got daily technical analysis. We've got memes. We've got the daily crypto news, daily updates on the market, and we're building our, you know, community there at a rapid pace. The community is really good. They'll help you out with anything. We're really, you know, excited about the community that we're building. It's totally free and it takes like 10 seconds to sign up. So just go and click the link in the description. Basically, all you have to do is click the link, accept the invite, and you will be directed to the announcements page where it'll tell you the rules. And then after an hour or so, maybe even less time than that, we will assign you your role and you'll be able to see the Discord. And you'll get, you know, access to all those free channels totally for free. As we said, we want to provide as much value as we can for everyone in our Discord, in our community. So please go sign up to the Discord, because that will be our main hub of all of our communications with you guys and providing value in that area as well. Make sure you sign up to our Twitter as well. Our Twitter obviously growing at a rapid pace if you've seen it as well, which is all amazing to see. Also, if you want to get, you know, access to the entirety of the Discord, you can sign up to our Patreon, where you will get access to the whole of the Discord. And obviously, in those paid for channels, I think it's $9.99 a month, so it's very affordable if you're making money in the crypto markets. You will get access to those private channels in the Discord, which are essentially, you know, you get alpha on really low cap, potentially high risk degenerate plays that could, you know, potentially have 100, maybe even 1,000x returns. We've got, you know, daily signals for Bitcoin, where we basically talk about the price action of Bitcoin, potentially where you could enter for really promising trades, etc. We've just launched another channel in our private Discord, which is the 10x potential in 2022 channel, where we'll be listing every week cryptocurrencies that we do think have the potential to 10x in 2022. More safer bets, and but basically some of the ones that we've been covering on the channel, some that we haven't. So if you're interested in getting all of that value, extra value, go sign up to the free Discord. No reason not to do that. Totally free. Takes like 10-15 seconds. And if you want extra value, then you can go take a look at the Patreon or the YouTube membership. Either one will do to give you access to the Discord, where you can get signed up, and then I can basically direct you in the direction of all that good content. So we can do short-term price predictions for Solana now. With that being said, obviously the bottom of the range here, you would expect this to hold at around $133. We've obviously got that swing low at $130 as well. We're currently sitting on a really nice amount of support, but if we did roll lower, we'd say, you know, $125 to $120. Those would be some psychological supports as well if we did get a continuation to the downside. Obviously heading up, you want to see the top of the range being tested again at $150. You get the breakout like this and then basically reverse the trend, get back above this resistance, and then get that continuation back to the all-time high. And I mean, judging by what Solana's been doing recently, we could easily see it continue to the upside, couldn't we? And you know, if we take a new fib, for example, from this swing high to this swing low here, we've got some new targets for Solana upwards of, you know, $400, maybe $500, which could be possible if we do see the whole market pumping again. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank you all so much for your support. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto Maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our own personal portfolio, super low cap gems, 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting to members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come and join a community rich with value and content. Remember, you can also join our public section of the Discord too, where we post news, technical analysis, daily updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are all in the description. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.